5 ways to re-strategize your NEET undergraduate preparation. First, strategize your revision carefully. It is essential to plan your strategy over the next month. Revise the syllabus that has been covered. Second, do not let the delay in the exam affect you. The exam was deferred due to unprecedented circumstances. However, continue your preparation and don't let this delay deter you. It is normal to feel exhausted and frustrated by the repeated delay of the exam. Engage yourself in something positive to overcome such feelings. Third, changes in question paper pattern. This year, each subject will be divided into 2 sections in the NEET. Section A will have a total of 35 questions, which will be based on a common syllabus as notified by the National Medical Commission. To cater to different forms of syllabus reduction by various school education, an option is provided to select 10 out of 15 questions in Section B. Fourth, subject-wise final revision of the topics, formulas and concepts. For physics, make a list of all the important formula and refer to them while solving questions. For organic and inorganic chemistry, keep handwritten short notes for important regions and rules. For biology, prepare a flow chart of mechanism and physiology and refer to them before solving question paper from this section. Fifth, balance between time management and accuracy. During your practice, you must focus more on accuracy, and once you are content with your accuracy, shift your focus to increasing your speed.